mathematicians, in this video we're going to learn how to evaluate functions at a given x value. Consider the function f of x. We read this as a function evaluated at x, or f at x, equals 3x minus 1. The question asks us, what is f at 4? Notice here we had f at x, and here we have f at 4. This does not mean f multiplied by x. This means in our function we have an x, and this number we're going to say is 4. So this 4 means that x is 4. What is the value of f? F is the name of this function, and if we put in 4 instead of x, what do we get? So I'm going to write my equation, f of x equals 3x minus 1. And now wherever I have an x, I'm going to erase the x and put 4. My x is changing to be 4. So again, I erase the x and I put 4 in parentheses. Now we can simplify this right side. So f of 4 equals 3 parentheses 4. That means 3 multiply 4, which is 12 minus 1. Bring that down. 12 minus 1 is 11. So we found it at one x value. We can use a table to evaluate the function at different x values. So this table asks us, when x is negative 2, what is the value of the function f at negative 2? So I'm going to write my function again, 3x minus 1. And instead of this x for this first line, I'm going to put negative 2. 3 multiplying negative 2 is negative 6. Keep the minus 1. Negative 6 minus 1. Both of these are negative, so we're going to add them and keep the sign. So we get negative 7. So the value of the function f at negative 2 is negative 7. Let's do the next one. When x is 0, what is the value of our function? We're going to write our equation, 3x minus 1. And again, we're going to erase that x and substitute it with our number. 3 multiplies 0, that's 0. Keep the minus 1. And 0 minus 1 is just negative 1. So our value here is negative 1. One more time, at x equals 2. So here's my function. That's what they gave us. Now I'm going to erase my x and substitute it with 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is positive 6. Keep the minus 1. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So I've now filled in the table. Given these x values, I found the y values, or the value of the function f at these x values. Good luck with the next question.